Okay, so these are the fork tubes, or this is the casing, the outer casing. So you can see in here, maybe you can, maybe you can't. You can see that shaft in there. That's screwed on by, or that's held in by the screw in the end. Now this one's stripped, both of these are stripped, so I can either remove them and replace them. I'll have to drill them out, pull it out, and then try and get the thread out of that shaft. Again, it's all just trial and error, but in reality you've got to drill the head out and it'll leave the thread in there, so then we could have a problem in removing the thread, so we'd have to work that out in some way. Quite often they're held in by Loctite or something like that, because it's just what was done back then. These days it would be put in. What you'd do is you'd replace it with a hexagon head or an Allen key so that you can get it out, no problem. And so just for I always like doing jobs once and doing it completely, and then you don't have problems later. So so I will head towards that, but also some other things that may need to be done. This has had somehow got overspray of paint. Maybe I was doing a job at some point, ended up getting some overspray on it. So what I'll do is I'll clean this up and I'll polish these tubes as well, just that they're what happens is the casing, they're sprayed with a lacquer. Look at the hard ceramic lacquer, and it's just so that it doesn't get corrosion and all that sort of stuff. So if you want to make it look good, you can polish this aluminium, but the end job is that you'll need to keep aluminium polish on it over that time, because you will get it'll get corrosion and all that sort of stuff. So